Your AirPods Pro can now do this clinical test for you at home for free.
So the first step is to get your AirPods Pro 2 or 3, pair them to your iPhone, iPad or Mac and wear them in both ears. Now get your iOS device, your Mac or your iPad and go to settings and you will see your AirPods here in the settings section. Tap here and now you will see this new feature, take a hearing test. Tap here, get started and fill up a few basic details and tap next. It will ask you to place your AirPods in your ear if they are not already fitted. And now the hearing test is in progress, so for this part you'll have to stay quiet. And once the fit check is done, it will proceed to hearing test where you have to tap on the screen when you hear a beep, and at the end of it you will get a clinically validated report that you can use to get to a doctor in case you are experiencing hearing issues. So like this information if you found something new today, share this to someone who has AirPods with them and follow Gadgets 360 for more.